Hello guys, Rajiv back with another video. In this video I will be showing you guys how to install RAM. So my laptop is having 2 GB RAM and I want to upgrade with another 2 GB, so it becomes 4 GB totally, and it will be much more faster than now. So let's get into the video. So the first step is to flip your laptop backside. Take out the battery, so there must be no electrical access in your laptop, because in case if while you are changing a RAM, it might get short circuit and your motherboard might get damaged, and it will be a very big trouble. You don't want it. And second step is to open your laptop back, press your power button for 5 seconds, so all the juice which is left over in the laptop will get out. So yeah, 5 seconds are over. So now let's close it back. Now let's turn the laptop backside. Sorry for that guys. And here guys, so when you turn your laptop, you will see two partitions which I've done in your laptop. So there's a big one and there's a small one. Big one shows that there is hard disk inside, and small one shows that there is RAM. So you have to open the small one, not the big one. Remember that. So I will be zooming in little for convenience guys, so you guys can see it properly. So I've zoomed in. I'm using Phillips screwdriver to take out the screw. Yes. So these things come out now. Okay, wait, let me do it more. So this will pop out and you have to just take it out and keep it aside safely. So you will see that first thing, there's a dust cover which prevent dust from going inside your RAMs. So in my case, I am using 2 GB Crucial DDR3 RAM. So it's a DDR3, it's pretty much fast. Still nowadays we have DDR4, but still my laptop supports only DDR3. So this RAM cost me around 1300 rupees. I bought it from Amazon. So the link will be there in the description if you're searching for 2 GB RAM. I think so it will be a really good one because I just bought it like 2 to 3 days ago. So I'm also installing. Yeah, and I want to say you guys, while installing the RAM, never touch these yellow lines. The down, you can see here, the golden ones, yeah, they're looking like yellow, yeah. These lines, never touch them. Now to install it, you have to just do is, you flip this dust cover, line the notches. Let me zoom in. Okay, line the notches, have the dust cover back, and enter it. Insert it, insert it confidently, and snap it. You have to install in like 45-degree angle to install, and then press it down. These clips will be there. These clips will get clipped while you install your RAM. So yeah guys, so your now RAM is installed. Now you have to do the reverse procedure back. You have to take your cover, you have to clip it first, then take your Phillips back, tie it down, and take your battery, snap it, lock it, and you have successfully upgraded your RAM. So yeah guys, this is the upgradation of your RAM. Now you have successfully upgraded. Now your laptop will run on 4 GB RAM. I will be showing that in the later video, that how many GBs it is running actually. Okay, so for this video, this much only guys. Like my videos, share my video, and subscribe to our channel Garib Tech. So we have now only started, So please like our video, then we can do it in much more better quality if you guys support us. So yeah guys, peace.